Grabovoi, concentration exercises, 13th day of the month. Exercise number 1. On the 13th day of the month, you should concentrate on certain individual, separate elements in a chosen object of reality. Let us say you perceive some object, such as a truck for instance, or a palm tree or a stone. It doesn't really matter what kind of object it is. The main point here is that you consciously isolate certain elements or parts from the chosen object. When imagining a truck, for example, you can visualize it as being composed of many separate parts. I should remind you that you can practice this technique on any form, but never on a human being. You cannot work like this with people. A human being must always be perceived as a whole. This is the law. However, if the object of your choice is not a person, but something else, like the truck we mentioned before, you should be able to see it as being composed of a number of separate parts. Your task here is to find the connections that exist between the individual parts. When you discover these existing connections, while simultaneously keeping your desired result in your consciousness, such as the healing of some person, for instance, or acquiring the gift of clairvoyance, you ensure the materialization of this result. By using this technique, you can perfect your ability to control real events. Exercise number 2, 13th day of the month. 7-digit sequence of numbers. 1, 5, 3, 8, 4, 4, 8. 9-digit sequence. 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 9, 1, 5. Exercise number 3, 13th day of the month. You will see the faces of those who were involved in building this world before your time. You will see the tools by which the world was built before your time. You will see the world as it existed before you did. You will get the feeling that you were always present. Take this feeling and transfer it to the faces, and then use it to reconstruct these tools of creation. You will become aware that the Creator is in everything around you, whether reproduced artificially or made by nature. He embodied you in everything you see. Your embodiment is expressed in the world that is presently being created. This will help you to find any methods and techniques for your spiritual, intellectual, technological, or any other type of development, so long as this development is creative in nature. Once you learn to interpret development as an equal, universal process of development of any element of reality and any object of information, you will discern that essence, which is your own soul, your own personality, and your Creator. The individuality of the Creator, together with everything He has created, lies at the foundation of world harmony. This harmony is inherent in everything. It is always present and always comprehensible. The Creator, who has created you individually, as you alone, has simultaneously created everyone else. You should do the same by creating the world individually and at the same time for everybody, for all times and dimensions.